Welcome back to the Duda Experts Education Series, brought to you by the Duda Solutions partners here at Fixate Media. Today we're going to take a look at the Duda Map Widget. Here we are logged into our Duda site in our editing mode, and we have our map. Double-clicking on the map, like all widgets, is going to present us with content and design options. And on the content side, the first option is to choose the actual physical address. Here at 1570 Broadway, New York, New York, you can see it drops the pin on that location. Next up, we have the option to hide the map on mobile and use a button, as well as on desktop or tablet, should you want that as an option. You can also dictate what the button will read if you choose that option, as well as location pop-up information, as well as if that should be on a hover, a click, or always displaying on the pin. Flipping over to our design or aesthetic options, here on our layout, we have a variety of different map choices, starting with the standard, pink, dark, grayscale, as well as a couple of more. Scrolling down, we have the option to change that map to full width, to control the height and the width, as well as to control the zoom point or perspective, and you can see taking that up from 13 to 16 zooms much farther in. We can, of course, add a border for aesthetics. We can animate the map. And then finally, if we want to add padding anywhere around that map, we have that option as well. Thanks so much for watching, and make sure to subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks from the Fixate Duda experts.